How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today we're gonna be doing some bike stuff, and we're back in the garage over here. But today's video is gonna be a little bit special because I got a little bit of help, and that's because in this video Alex is gonna be helping us. And why is that? Is because right here we have his Huffy Scout that we need to do some updates to. Before I tell you what we're gonna do, please go ahead and consider subscribing and turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like and the subscribe button, and also notifications and everything. If you want to support the channel, you know there's links, affiliate links in the description below, and everything that I'm gonna be using in this video, they're listed in the descriptions below. So without further ado, let's get right into it. This is my son Huffy Scout. It's a 24-inch, and he's got a 3x drivetrain with twist shifters that he does not like at all. I already put in a wake stem and wake handlebar a long time ago, but since he don't like this and we don't want to spend a lot of money on this, I reached out to a few YouTubers that I know that have the Mongoose Otter, and this is what I came up with. So one of them was Charlie from MTV Adventures, Charlie Keo, and he sent me out his drivetrain, almost all of it, from his Mongoose Otter. So I have the Pro Rush 7-speed shifter with a way larger cassette than what freewheel than what the Scout currently has, and a Pro Rush derailleur. We all know that one comes with the clutch and even the chain. So that was pretty awesome. Thank you, Charlie, appreciate it. And I had done some color coding that I wanted to do with this bike. He wanted to do red, so I have some race face grips, red ones. These are half Nelson. I have them on many of my bikes. I have them on my T8, on my Axum. I have them on my e-bike right there, and I have another one coming for the blue Axum, and it's red. And of course I have biking pedals just like my other bikes. These are gonna be red as well. And I went to Harbor Freight a couple of days ago and picked up this pack of zip ties. Hopefully there's some red in there, and if not, I guess there might be some red in there. So I'm gonna be using those to color coordinate. And what I have over here, since this is a kid's bike, the cranks, they're way smaller than the other ones, and I originally wanted to do a Holotech bottom bracket, but I couldn't find anything with the crank car combination. So what I end up doing, since these are riveted in, I can't do the one by conversion. A while back, a long time ago, I found this one, and I think these are 160s. I haven't even taken it off. They're 152s. I don't know if you can see that in here. Let's see if I can focus. They're 152s, and these are not riveted in. This is still a 3x. It's our Sun Tour. So I'm gonna take everything off and just put in the new chain ring. So since there's a lot of things that I'm gonna be doing to this bike, I'm just gonna do a montage and enjoy the music, and I'll see you when it's finished. Let's ride. Vas a poner el ganchito aquí en esto de aquí, en el fierrito, para que se ganche. ¿Ya quedó? Okay. So that's before 35 pounds, 35.18 pounds, or 15.96 kilograms. Let's see how much weight we can save. Scout is done. All I gotta do is minor adjustments. Let's see if we saved any weight. Okay, remember we were at 35.18 pounds. Let's see what we got now. I really don't think we're gonna save a lot of weight, and that is it, 34.44 pounds. So what, 0.6 pounds, something like that? And 15.62 kilograms, so we lost almost 400 grams. And this is everything that we took off. Crank arms, chain rings, pedals, the chain, front derailleur, twist shifters, the free hub, the rear derailleur. We removed the chain rings from the new one, and let me show you what I got. Okay, so we did lose a little bit of weight on the bike, less than a pound, maybe 3/4 of a pound, a little bit like that. I'll leave exact details on it. He did a great job. Back over here. So did you learn anything today?
Yes.
What did you learn? And this is all improvised. The cable routing, very good. So what do you think about your new bike? You like it?
Yes.
Color coordination, you like the red?
Yes.
Is red your favorite color?
Yes.
Turn around. Is red your favorite color?
Yes.
That's why we picked it. So, again, minor adjustment that we're gonna need to do for this shifting properly. But other than that, this bike is almost done. Maybe later on we'll remove all the decals and put personalized decals. But as long as he's happy and he can shift better than the twist shifter, that's all that matters. And of course, it looks way better with this oval chain ring. This is a 34 tooth oval chain ring. The Pro Rush 14 to 38 tooth free hub at the rear. This is the Pro Rush derailleur from the Mongoose Otter with the clutch. And we have new XCT Sun Tour crank arms. These are still taper because, like I said at the beginning of the video, I was not able to find short crank arms affordable with the Halotech bottom bracket. I guess I could probably lose a total of a pound and a half. And if I can find some cassette, that's gonna be even a better turnout for this bike. But remember, this is still a heavy bike because it is steel frame. This is not an aluminum frame. It is a steel frame. I might change the bearings over here in the headset. Remember, this is not a taper, it's a vapor. So it's a 44/44. And yeah, so I guess if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, still give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this, subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications bell on. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this one. And if you want to support the channel, check the affiliate links in the description below. There's affiliate links for all the parts that I use for different products, different bikes, things like that, and that helps the channel. If you have any questions, if you have a bike like this, leave it down in the comments below. And that's gonna be it for this one, and I'll see you on the trail. Goodbye.